to enter safe mode on a Realme Note 60, first of all, you will have to restart your phone. So click and hold the volume up button and power key. And now be sure that you select to restart, not to turn it off, just restart. It's the most important thing right here. There we go. Now click and hold the volume down button all the time until the phone turns off. The Realme logo will pop up on the screen, and also you will feel vibration. You will feel like two vibrations. The first one when the Realme logo pops on the screen, and the second one after like 5 seconds after the Realme logo appears on the screen. So it will actually take around like 10, 20 or 30 seconds, but after a few moments it will turns on back. So be sure that you are holding this volume down button all the time. Like in my case, take a look, it's over 1 minute right now, but it really works. Now still keep holding. Now you will feel second vibration, and now we can release this power key. And now the phone will turn on in safe mode. Take a look, it's just right here.